Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save video adjustments as presets on the CapCut PC. So here I've already on the CapCut PC, I've already add my clips that I want to edit, and here I'm going to just make the adjustment first. So you can add the adjustment in here at the top, and here go to custom, and here you can click on this plus icon to add the adjustment. Then you can just adjust or set the adjustment for your videos to how you like it. Okay, I'm going to go set it for the entire clips and adjust the temperature, the thin, saturation, and other adjustment that you want for your videos. Okay, after you are done, you can see at the bottom there will be this options to save as presets. So you can add or save this preset to blanket in your space for all the space member to use. Let's just tap on this save as preset. Here you can name the adjustment presets. I'm going to just use this, and then you can just click on OK. So if you want to use it again, you can find it under adjustment and presets in here, and you'll find the adjustment, this one, the one that you just created. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.